been following me for a while now, you already know that I'm a personal shopper and I've been doing it professionally for the past 9 years. Basically, my job is to create a better image for my clients by helping them to find clothes that make them look their best and match their needs and budgets. Usually people come to me with a problem of having a huge wardrobe and not knowing how to wear all of that. So most of the time, the work with the client starts with the wardrobe analysis. During this wardrobe analysis, we revise every single item together and decide what fits my client in color and style and what doesn't. After that, I create outfits with clothes that will be kept in the wardrobe and explain how to style them and where to wear them. It all sounds fun and great, but to be honest, most of these wardrobe revisions were ending by staring at a huge pile of clothes that were meant to be thrown away. The most common issue is that the majority of people don't know what they like to wear. That's why they wear only 20% of clothes that they think make them look good and feel the most comfortable, and the rest 80% of clothes were bought by mistake. They tried to wear them, but ended up not liking them. Another popular mistake is random shopping done to elevate stress. That's when you buy items that don't go with anything in your wardrobe. You do it once, twice, 3 times, and voila, you have nothing to wear because nothing matches. Not to mention, you've just lost a lot of your hard-earned money. Does the perfect wardrobe exist? If yes, how does it look and how to build it? I've started by creating a list of qualities the perfect wardrobe should have, and I would love to know what are yours. In my opinion, the perfect wardrobe should reflect my own personal lifestyle, be multi-purpose and give me enough outfits for any occasion, allow me to express my personal style and be fun to wear, have only clothes that make me look beautiful and make me feel comfortable, be functional, all clothes should have purpose and be wearable, be sustainable, eco-friendly, and create as less waste as possible. This made me realize that a wardrobe like that wasn't created yet. And I thought maybe I should try and figure out how to make one using my professional knowledge. And that's how I started working on the Wonder Wardrobe method. So the question was, how do you make sure you have enough clothes in your wardrobe and you wear all of them? Before every shopping session, I always analyze my clients' lifestyles. I need to know where do they work, what do they do, where do they go, who do they meet, because this information helps me to approximately conclude how many and what kind of outfits I need to find for them. I've decided to use this lifestyle analysis to figure out the exact number of outfits I need in my perfect wardrobe for a season. The method that I used gave me only an abstract percentage, like I need 70% of my outfits be suitable for work, 30% for free time. And what I wanted is to know the exact number. I opened my calendar and just started calculating how many outfits I actually needed by looking at what I had to do in the next 3 months. The number was 124 outfits. 124 outfits for 3 months. Sounds like a lot, but then I thought that I don't actually need that many because I can rewear all of them multiple times. I've divided 124 outfits by 3 and finally got my perfect number, 41 outfits. Next question was, how many items do I need to include in my wardrobe to have these 41 outfits? And what if someone else's perfect number of outfits is different? How do they know how many items they will need? In the end, I came up with a wardrobe structure that was fully interchangeable, where all the tops match all the bottoms. I figured that to create 41 outfits, I only needed 18 items, 7 tops, 5 bottoms, and 6 dresses. Then I've created special templates where I wrote down the amount of items needed for all kinds of wardrobe sizes. I really like this method because it's not random, it's not strict, it's based on your life and needs precisely, so you are the only one who decides how many items and outfits are enough for you. The problem with fully interchangeable wardrobe model was that no one did it before. The capsule or basic wardrobes are not fully interchangeable, they are versatile. And fully interchangeable and versatile are two very different things. If you have a versatile wardrobe, it means that you still need a lot of items, because not all of them go well with each other. On the contrary, to create 20 fully interchangeable outfits, you just need 9 items, 5 tops and 4 bottoms. The next challenge I faced was to figure out how to make a wardrobe that consists of only 9 items look exciting, personal, and also multi-purpose. It took me around 2 years of experimenting and testing new ideas on real people and real wardrobes to finally come up with a system that worked. Eventually, I figured out that the main principle of creating a fully interchangeable wardrobe is that all items should match perfectly with each other in style and color. Sounds easy, but it's not, because before you even try to match clothes, you should learn what is your style, how to express it, what clothes to choose, how to style them, how to match colors, what combinations work for you, what colors to avoid and why, how to create harmony between colors, styles, silhouettes, and how to choose and match different fabrics. In general, the Wonder Wardrobe method is based on 60 different principles, and most of them were created specifically for this method. It might seem too complicated to apply 60 rules to build a wardrobe, but in my course I made it a super easy and fun experience. You use lots of different templates and tests that help you figure out most of the things faster. It also helps to keep everything in order. Now I know for sure that a perfect wardrobe exists and I know exactly how to build it. But most importantly, I'm happy to teach this successfully tested method to everyone so they can also build a personal, multifunctional, well-organized wardrobe containing an ideal amount of interchangeable outfits that reduce waste and support sustainable fashion. Please now you share with me how many fashion principles and rules do you use when buying items for your wardrobe? Do you have any specific go-to rules? And how have they helped you to evolve your personal style? Let's chat. I will also share mine for every video I post from now on, so you can see how much knowledge it takes to do what I do. That's it, I hope you like this video. I try to be honest and open, pull back the curtains and show you the complex process I've developed over years. If you found it interesting, please share it with someone who might find it useful as well. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.